Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally getting around to using the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I love the color story of this palette. I want to say, and I would love to say that I loved everything about this palette, but if I'm being honest, this is the third or fourth look I created with this, and this is the first one that I was okay with putting up and filming. I wasn't impressed with some of the pigmentation and some of the shadows. It's incredibly powdery. Overall, I was unimpressed at first, but this look has definitely redeemed it for me. So we're using the Profusion No Budge Eyeshadow Primer today with AOA Studio Loose Powder to catch fallout. And we're also using the Morphe X Jeffree Star Palette. And I hope you guys will enjoy this look as much as I do. I love green, so I knew at some point I'd play with the greens. This one is called Wake and Bake, and it's a nice bright lime green. And I'm going to take that on a fluffy crease brush and apply that in the crease. I did some looks, and I done a pink look, a smoky look, and somewhat of like a peachy kind of look. And I was so disappointed with how they came out. They just didn't look right. It could have been the eyeshadow primer I used. It could have been so many other things. It could have been I was having a bad makeup day. I don't know, but I was so upset. This shade's called Fast Lane, and we're going to be applying that in our outer corner. We're applying that in our outer corner with a smaller tapered crease brush, more dense brush, for really packing this shade on. And we're going to blend that in also as we go with that green shade. And I'm obsessed with how this look turned out. It's so beautiful. And I almost debated on not wearing lashes with this look, and I think the lashes help make it. In my opinion, I love how it turned out. Also coming soon, if not already posted, I did a how to clean your false lashes so you can get many uses out of them. So I'll link that somewhere if it's already up. If not, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. And here you'll see me taking the black against the green, and you'll see me apply some of the green against the line of the black shadow as well. And this is going to help them blend together seamlessly. And like shades, like mattes and shimmers, if they're like in the same formulation family, they're going to blend easier together. But that little trick really helps there, is to just go against the line of the other shade with the color and just kind of buff against it a little bit, feather it in together. And this is the Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas, and I'm using a bit of that to kind of cut the crease, but really just do like a half kind of cut crease thing. I did this so my shimmery shades would really pop. I'm going to be taking Glam Rapids. It's like, girl, quit moving that palette so we can read the shade. And I'm taking this on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be really packing that on the first half of the lid in the inner corner area as well. Just really packing that on. Wiped off the same brush, and we're going to be picking up Drive Through. This shade is insanely beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, it's like this golden olive-y kind of shade. It's so beautiful. And we're placing that on the center of the lid and blending it in with the black. But like I said earlier, this look here redeemed the palette for me, because I really had been wanting this palette, salivating over this palette for like a year. And I finally got it on sale, and I was kind of disappointed at first, so I was kind of bummed. But then I gave it another try, so that's why you hadn't seen any looks, is because all the makeup looks that I tried with it, I wasn't happy with. They didn't come out right. The shadows weren't working with me, and like I said, it could have been on my end too, so I don't know. But this look I'm actually proud of. I love how it turned out, so I had to film it, had to share it for you guys. That's how I do it. Like, I will do one eye, and if I really like it, then I'll film it. And I'm sure a lot of other YouTubers do that too. And sometimes you're just not happy with your work. So it took me a while to get this out. So I'm taking that same obnoxious green shade from the beginning and placing that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to be taking, I could not even read it, I think it said designer label, and putting that shade in the inner corner. And the greens in this palette are just like absolutely phenomenal. That's like mainly why I wanted this palette, was the greens and the glitters and everything. And we're going to take that shade there. Didn't catch the name of it. And all this stuff will be put down in the description box though, in the product list, so the names of the shadows and stuff. And I'm just going to use that as my highlight, blend that down. I'm going to take the brush that we used in the crease and blend in with that brow highlight. And I'm taking Milani Stay Put eyeliner and lining my upper rim, and taking this one from Maybelline. It's like a matte green liner. And these lashes are from AOA Studio and they're style Rose, and I'm taking the AOA Studio lash glue as well, which is actually really nice. And I just apply these lashes. I love the AOA Studio lashes so much I don't even have to cut them down. And I have kind of like, usually always have to cut my lashes down because of smaller eyes, but yeah, I don't with these. I love it. They're awesome. I am just going to smash my real lashes with the false lashes with the Revlon eyelash curler, and use this mascara to mesh those together as well. Use a bit of that on the lower lash line, and man, I just love how this look came out. It's so pretty, it's so stunning, it's perfect. And for lips, I am using the Maybelline Nude Lust 920. Big surprise. And I was bobbing and dancing and rocking out to him. Yes, I love the band Him. And here's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the little chatty chat. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. And I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did, and we'll try it out for yourselves.